Welcome everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Namo and you are watching Vocabulary Practice with Namo. In today's video, I am shooting a video in my kitchen because I have work in a kitchen, so I thought that I have to make a video here. So in today's topic, how to think in English. I am always emphasize you, if you really want to learn how to speak in English, you have to build a habit how to think in English. But making a habit of thinking is not a one day process. It takes time. You always remember that if you really want to make a habit of thinking in English, you have to be patient. You just need to remember that it is a process. What process you have to follow to think in English that help you to speak in English, I am going to tell you in this video. First of all, if you really want that you have so much content in English that help you to think in English, you have to read so much English content. First of all, you have to read any book, you have to read any novels, you have to read anything in English. Maybe initial stage it is not easy for you, but you have to make a habit. If you are going somewhere and you are watching any hoarding, just try to read hoarding whichever in English language. Just remember that really a small step that help you to make a habit of doing that. I just want to tell you, whenever I am going somewhere, I am just looking around that there is something that in English I try to read it because I just want to make a habit of reading. That really helped me to speak in English. So I always try to make a habit. And I just want to tell you, reading is the best way. If you read any book that help you to think in English and also help you to gain some knowledge, because reading book is a knowledge, because if you are reading something, you mind can run properly and you can earn so many knowledge about that topic that mentioned in the book. And I just want to tell you, if you want to make a habit of thinking, you have to listen so much English content. Whatever the content you want, it's up to you. If you really like to watch any English movies, you can watch any English movies. That has also help you to listen English content. If you don't like movies, you can watch any English news channel. That also help you to think in English because you can listen so much English content. If you don't like to watch any English news, you can watch English sports channel. You can listen English commentary that help you to grasp so much English content, and that also help you to read in English. And I just want to mention, if you like any podcast, just try to listen podcast is the best way that you can create a habit of thinking English. And I just want to tell you, that is the two important thing, that is you have to make a habit of reading. Second thing, you have to make a habit of listening. And now it's up to you that while you are reading a book, if you find any vocabulary word, if you find any sentence that is really tough for you, you have to mention in your notebook. That really help you because your mind can work properly, and whenever you read something or you mention in the notebook like writing, that help you to remember. So it's really better for you, and you that can help you to think in English. So just try to make a habit of reading. Reading leads you habit of thinking, and thinking leads you habit of writing. That is the process. All three can help you to think in English. But most important thing, while you are thinking English, you don't need to forget that you have to practice English speaking. Whatever the situation is, whatever the time is, you have to practice English speaking at least 10 minutes a day. If you are in your initial stage of practice English speaking, you can give yourself at least 10 minutes. While you are doing same way with consistency, you can increase your time to 15 minutes, 15 minutes to 20 minutes, 20 minutes to 25 minutes. That really help you to improve your English speaking, that really help you to improve your communication skills. And while you are reading book, that also help you to improve your pronunciation, and that also give you so much chance. While you have to speak in English, you can think so many vocabulary words because you already read before, because you already write before, because you already listen before. So that is a process that can help you to think in English. But let me remind you one thing. If you are doing this process, just be consistent, because that is the only way. If you are not consistent, that's all thing is going to be useless for you. So just try to remember, while you have to practice to think in English, practice to English speaking, just you have to be consistent, because that makes a consistent effort. If I am talking about mine, I am not a person that can speak very fluently. I am not still not a person that can speak very fluently, but I am improving day by day. But why? Because I am making video. I am reading so much content. I am listening so much content. I am writing so much content that help me to improve my English speaking. That help me to improve my communication skills, and most importantly, that help me while I have to speak in English, I can think so much English content, because I already told you that is the process, and you have to follow the process as the same way that process has. That's all in this video. I hope you like my content. If you like my content, don't hesitate to click the like button. And if you are new, please subscribe my channel, because I always make a video that is really very helpful for you. That's all in this video. Do take care of yourself. Till then, bye bye. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you.